Hey guys, this is Sai and welcome to my channel, The Corporate Yogi. Today we'll be learning the Padmasan pose. It is also known as the Lotus pose. This pose is very famous because it's been used during the practice of dhyana, that is meditation, which I had shown you in my previous video. Initially, it would be difficult for you all to form this pose because you will realize some pain in your joints, that is your ankle, your knees, your thighs and your calves. So what you can do here is you can at least practice Ardha Padmasan, or you can also practice Sukhasana. So Ardha Padmasan is what you do simply is just keep these legs simple as you can over here. This is Ardha Padmasan, and Sukhasana is the one which I had shown you all in the video of meditation. This is Sukhasana, so that you will not feel any pain. But there are several benefits of this Padmasan pose. Now what I will do is I will explain these benefits to you all as we learn this pose in this video step by step. So let's go and now start step 1 of it. Now you have to determine that how stiff your body is. To help you determine that, what you have to do is you have to form this position. There's a simple technique. This is called as the butterfly technique. You form this position wherein you are in this angle. Initially you will be in this angle because your hips are quite tight. Where you want to reach after this is, you want to reach at this position wherein you will be able to touch both your knees to the ground with your thighs also touching the ground. Okay, but how do you reach there? What you do is you first sit in this position, okay, and now do the butterfly technique, which is you just start flapping your legs. Now the first benefit of it is this will help you loosen your hips, the hips over here. The joints that are very stiff, it will slowly start loosening. You have to keep on doing this. Now you can do this whenever you're sitting idle, you're watching TV, or you're watching some video on YouTube. You can keep on practicing this. Even if you do it daily for 5 minutes, it will be a lot more helpful for you. And slowly and steadily, you will reach this state. Step 2 of this pose is you have to stretch your legs and slowly try holding your toes with your fingers. At the start, you will be able to reach only till here. What you have to do is you have to slowly try to push yourself ahead. You will feel the pain in your calves, in your thighs, as well as the back. The benefit of doing this to practice Padmasana is it helps you develop a good posture. Also, it helps relaxes the muscles of your calves, as your thighs, as well as your back. Practice this for 4 to 5 minutes every day. If you feel the pain, you can just relax and then sit straight. Again from the pose of Sukhasana. Now the next step is you have to stretch your one leg. I'm stretching my left leg and I'm slowly picking my right leg and putting it on the left thigh. Okay, now you will see you will form this angle. What you can do is you can slowly try pushing this leg towards your hip over here and try to fix this on the ground slowly and steadily. Okay, again do this for 4 to 5 minutes. Once you do this, you can do the same thing with the right leg. Stretch your right leg, pick up your left leg and put it on the right thigh. Bring it close to your hip and start flapping it so that your hips get loosened up over here. Do this for 4 to 5 minutes and then again stretch your legs. Come back to the pose of Sukhasana. Now the final step is where you can reach the state of Padmasana. You have to pick your right leg up, bring it close to your hip, the left hip, pick your left leg up, move it further slowly, pick your left leg up, try to bring it slowly to the right side of your hip. Okay, and this is the pose that you will achieve. The benefit of this pose is you will develop a good posture. Okay. Also for women, it helps to ease menstrual discomfort. It will increase your attentiveness as well as your awareness, and it's one of the best position if you want to practice dhyana, meditation. And this is the way I can practice my meditation by keeping my palms on my knees, or I can keep my hands like that, close my eyes and do the same Om chanting. That's all for today, guys. With this few simple and stretching techniques, you will be able to achieve the Padmasana pose. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.